button and bell icon right next to it. Now, today we shall go with the one more next topic, that is the difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. Let me start. In case of asexual reproduction, the process of a reproduction is very simple, whereas in case of a sexual reproduction, it is bit complicated compared to the asexual reproduction. And the next one is asexual reproduction is a very fast mode of a reproduction, whereas in sexual reproduction it takes time, hence it is a slow process. In case of asexual reproduction, only uniparent, single parent is involved to give its offsprings, while in case of the sexual reproduction, two parents, either male and female gametes are fused in order to give birth to their offsprings. Hence, asexual reproduction involves uniparent and sexual reproduction involves biparent. In case of asexual reproduction, no gametes are formed, and in case of sexual reproduction, gametes like male and female gametes are formed. Hence, in asexual reproduction, no fertilization takes place, whereas in the sexual reproduction, fertilization occurs by the fusion of male and female gamete cells. Well, in case of asexual reproduction, the process is very fast, as I said that. Hence, it produces more offsprings while compared to the sexual reproduction. So, in asexual reproduction, the offsprings are produced more in number. In sexual reproduction, the offsprings are produced a bit less in number. And the next point is, in case of the asexual reproduction, only the lower organisms are involved, like microbes and small plants. While in case of sexual reproduction, higher plants or higher animals are involved. And in asexual reproduction, there is no gene variation is seen. Hence, they does not contribute to the any evolution. Whereas in case of the sexual reproduction, gene variation may occurs and it leads to the some variations and it contribute to the evolution. So, in the case of sexual reproduction, some new species may arise due to the variation in the genes. Well, in the asexual reproduction, no meiosis takes place, and in case of the sexual reproduction, meiosis takes place. In asexual reproduction, the multiplication is very rapid, whereas in the case of sexual reproduction, the multiplication is bit slow as compared to the sexual reproduction. And in asexual reproduction, the offsprings are morphologically and genetically similar to their parents, whereas in case of the sexual reproduction, they will be differ, 99% they will be differ some way. Physiologically, the offsprings may be similar sometimes and may not be. And in asexual reproduction, they produce offsprings more and more. We call the, as I said, we use the word clone. And these all are the some major differences between the asexual and sexual reproduction, and I'll give it you in a point wise. So please do remember these differences, as they are very important to be remembered, and it helps you to break your exam in some consequences. Well, you have understood the difference between the sexual and asexual reproduction. And in the next class, let me come up with the events. There are 3 events how the sexual reproduction occurs. And please give me a thumbs up if you like my video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, comment and share it. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.